Today I'm going to show you how to use the PicSeePal templates. So in order for this template to appear in your own personal Google Drive and not edit the original, you're going to make a copy. And now it should appear in your own personal Google Drive. And once that opens up, you're going to navigate to the third slide, which is where the templates start, and there are 6 pages of these. And you're going to go to Insert Image, and you're going to upload the image of your communication pages. And so what you can do is you can upload as many communication pages as you want. You can duplicate these slides so you can print more communication pages on the templates. So you're going to want to play with the sizing, sort of drag the corners, make sure it's within that first black border. And you'll want a little bit of wiggle room on the sides, about 1/4 inch. That way when you put it inside the Pixie Snap, there's some room to play around with and it doesn't bleed all the way into that black border. So what I'm doing here is I'm uploading a few different types of communication pages. So when I print them out, I have several different options. And if you were to want more communication page templates, what you could just do is take one of the blank template slides and you just would copy and paste and duplicate that template. You can make as many duplicates as you want. So after I'm done with this one right here, I believe I'm going to call it good, and I'm going to go to File, Print, and what I'm going to do is just print those 4 pages. And when I print them, I want to make sure that it's a PDF because PDFs really retain the sizing pretty fairly well. And when I hit print, I want to make sure that the scaling of the size of the pages that I'm printing is 100% what the original was. I think right now it's automatically set to 105, so I'm putting it back to 100%, and that'll make sure that the sizing does not get altered when I go to hit print. And I have my pages on slides 3 through 5, so I'm going to enter that in, make sure everything looks good. My scale is 100%. If you change the scaling and you fill the entire page, it's not going to fit in the Pixie Snap, so just be aware of that. And when you're ready, go ahead and hit print.